Friends, welcome to WAM Tech Zone. If you are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe for the channel, comment and share. Click on like button. Let's move on to the video. In this video, we see about Samsung Galaxy M42 5G features and full specification and working of Samsung Galaxy M42 5G. Samsung Galaxy M42 5G first look. Launch date and price. Launch date is on May 1st, 2021 and the price will be for 6 GB rupees 21,999 and for 8 GB rupees 23,999. About the performance, chipset is used is Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G and CPU is an octa-core. Architecture will be 64-bit and operating system is Android V11. Graphics is Adreno 619, then RAM is 6 GB and RAM type is LPDDR4X. About the display type will be Super AMOLED and screen size will be 6.6 inches and resolution will be 720 into 1600 pixels and aspect ratio will be 20:9. Pixel density will be 266 pixel per inch and touch screen yes, and we have a capitative touch screen and multi touch screen. About the design, height will be 164.4 mm and width will be 75.9 mm and thickness will be 8.6 mm and weight will be 193 grams. About the camera, main camera setup will be quad camera and 48 megapixel front of 1.8 wide angle primary camera, 8 MP of front 2.2 wide angle ultra wide angle camera, 5 MP front of 2.4 micro camera, 5 MP of front 2.4 depth camera and flash, yes, we have LED flash. Image resolution will be 8000 into 6000 pixels and camera we have digital zoom and features we have autofocus, face detection, text to focus. Shooting mode, continuous shooting and high dynamic range mode. About the front camera setup will be single and resolution will be 20 megapixel, front of 2.2 wide angle primary camera and autofocus with no and flash is also no. About the colors, here we have two colors, one is prism dot black, another one prism dot grey. About the battery, capacity will be 5000 milliampere hour and battery removable is no and quick charging yes and fast charger with 50 volts and USB type C supported yes. About the storage, here we have internal memory of 120 GB, then expandable memory yes up to 1 terabytes and storage type will be USF 2.1. About the network and connectivity, here dual SIM, we have both are GSM plus GSM and SIM size will be nano and SIM 2 will be also nano and network supported will be 4G, 3G, 2G and VoLTE network and Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi 802.11. Wi-Fi features will be mobile hotspot and Wi-Fi direct and Bluetooth will be V5.0 and NCS yes and USB connectivity we have mass storage device and USB charging. About the multimedia in the phone, here we have a loudspeakers yes and we have a auto jack with 3.5 mm. About the sensors in the phone, Here we have a fingerprint sensors, and fingerprint sensor position is on the screen, and fingerprint sensor type is optical type, and other sensors used in the phone is light sensors, proximity sensors, accelerometer, gyroscopy. Thank you for watching the videos. For more videos, subscribe for the channel. Thank you. Take care. Be safe.